VP, pardon me. I understand this is something legal, but we just want to hear your side. Kasi po, sabi po ni Attorney Kaufman, tinatrabaho na raw po yung interim release. Meron pa po ba kayong nakikitang balakid before filing one, or how soon will you file this? At sa Pilipinas niyo po ba gustong ma-release ang... of course, may panawagan kayo na bring him home to the Philippines, to Davao City. But just for the record, you just want to hear if sa Pilipinas niyo po gusto siyang ma-release, kasi may sinasabi po yung palasyo. Let me quote, does it mean that we have to recognize that ICC has jurisdiction over the Philippines? I believe the family of the former President Duterte is asking and praying from the Supreme Court that the government should not cooperate with the ICC. So it means that if we will not cooperate with the ICC, even that prayer or even that manifestation of the ICC will not take cognizance of that regarding or relating to the request to have him released in the Philippines.
With regard to the interim release, no, I do not know really, truly, honestly, I do not know what the steps are the lawyers are doing with regard to the interim release. But as I told you before, I fear for his life in the Philippines. But we follow what the client wants, what President Duterte wants, and he wants to go home.
To the Philippines.
Yes. And everyone wants him to go home to the Philippines. And the Buenos want him to go because they will be his mayor.
Yes.
For the next 3 years.
But with regards to what the palace said, ma'am, yung sinasabi po nila na kapag yun po yung hihilingin, does this mean that we have to recognize the ICC, that it has jurisdiction over the Philippines? Wala na nga pong jurisdiction sila.
Wala naman po kami hinihingi sa palace. We did not ask for the palace for anything. So I do not know what they are talking about.
Ma'am, I think the context po is kapag inirelease sa Pilipinas ang isang detainee, kailangan sumunod sa lahat ng kondisyon ng ICC yung bansang pagdadalhan ng detainee po. And in this case, if he will be released to the Philippines, then they should follow all the conditions of the ICC. And in that case, this would mean parang nasa jurisdiction pa rin tayo ng ICC.
Well, that is something that they have to think about. The administration has to think about what their next steps are. So they should not ask the family, they should not ask the Filipino people on what their next steps are with regard to the talk on the return of former President Duterte to the Philippines. Maybe when they've decided, if ever they will decide what their next steps are, if ever it is even discussed inside the halls of the palace, they can tell us what their plans are. The government intends to do with the return of President Duterte.
Ma'am, on a different note, were your mother, Elizabeth Zimmerman, able to visit the former president?
My mother, she doesn't want that she be talked about or discussed in interviews, so let's keep her private.
Noted, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, how about your reaction to House prosecution's motion to Senate to compel VP Duterte to answer impeachment complaints? Sabi, legally sound daw po ito, legally sound. And Representative Zamora said may guidelines sa pag-liquidate ng confidential funds. Kung pwede man na fictitious names, dapat daw nakadeklara ang totoong pangalan in a sealed envelope bago sinasubmit sa COA. Nagawa po ba ito ng OVP, and naniniwala ang House na prosecution na palalakasin daw nito yung impeachment case laban po sa inyo, ma'am?
Yun ang mga paniniwala nila. So, pabayaan na natin sila sa kanilang guni-guni. It doesn't have to be yung paniniwala nila, I mean, paniniwala din ng buong bayan. Paniniwala lang nila yun. So,
Ila ka na naman. Mag, okay na mo sa weather? Naka-adapt na mo?
tugnaw ka.
The Netherlands.
I think she's okay.
Yes!
Wala siyang jacket.
Hindi na siya natao.
You're not cold? Oh,
Bata pa naman siya eh. Bata pa siya.
okay. And you are young, no problem.
Ma'am, meron po kayong balak na assistant sa mga
question mo,
Filipinos
JB.
na aresto sa Qatar while demonstrating for PRRD?
Yes, oo.
Anong balak?
I already endorsed it the moment that I knew about it. I read it in the brief sa Office of the Vice President. I already endorsed to them to reach out through the correct channels on what we can do to assist as an office, the Office of the Vice President. Okay?
VP, sorry.
VP, may question lang po.
VP, sorry, something legal lang po. You said po na you're going home soon.
Sa Saturday.
Sa Saturday na po, you're going home. May chance po ba na mako-complete na po yung legal team by then?
Wala po ako sinabi na uwi ako sa Saturday.
Or uwi na po kayo soon?
Ayaw pa uli.
I said na pag dumating na yung documents, pwede na ako umuwi.
Yeah, that's correct.
And mako-kompleto na po ba yung legal team by then po? Or
Nandyan na si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman. The other lawyer, you meet her. I don't want to reveal her name. Just ask her what her name is. And then there's another one assisting them. So far, they're okay. And they're interviewing other lawyers as we speak. So hopefully, before I leave, that team is already complete. But at the moment, no, it's not complete.
pero have you identified na po the Filipino lawyer in the team po?
Sino kinakausap po ninyo?
We have not identified the Filipino lawyer. I do not know because only the lawyers are talking to each other. So I only talk to the lead counsel, that is Nicholas Kaufman. So he talks to the other lawyers.
Ma'am, I have a question. May message po ba si former president sa mga supporters niya right now, or is it still
Yes,
the same?
May message siya para sa supporters.
So of course, he just wants to extend his gratitude to all of his supporters from all over the world, and
I did it for my country.
yeah, that's what he repeatedly says. So he wants the people to know that he did it for his country. He did it for every Filipino all over the world.
Ma'am, on another note po, nakita po namin si Ma'am Hanilet at the UKT earlier na tumatakbo. We were really worried if there's something wrong, but the former president is okay so far.
I don't know. I did not see
Yeah,
them
but-
running, so
We saw.
Okay.
Okay.
We're afraid to run out of time.
Okay.
The visits are limited.
That's good to know. Just to clear things out. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Final question na po siguro, VP, you come here on a different circumstance. What would you bring home? What you've learned from the Netherlands? And meron bang thoughts na tumatakbo sa isip mo na sana hindi na lang nag-national politics si dating Presidente Duterte and you wouldn't have been here
In this kind of circumstance.
on this different circumstance?
I really believe that it's futile to regret decisions made in the past, because I believe that everything happens for a reason. So whatever it is that happened in the past, I think we should just learn from it and then move forward. So what is my takeaway for the Netherlands? Unang-una, ma'am, ang dami nilang options dito. Meron silang tram. Tram is it, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, that's correct.
Yes, meron silang tram, meron silang bus, and then meron silang train, and then they can bike, and then
Meron ding
they
metro,
can
ma'am.
walk,
Metro
and
also.
metro. So that's 6 options for mobility.
Correct.
I choose to walk dito kasi hindi ka pinagpapawisan, malamig siya, so I choose to walk. So that is my choice. But the residents, they have 6 options. In the Philippines, ma'am, just mahirapan pa yung bus, ma'am. Walang train, walang tram, walang metro, wala lahat.
Mainit.
So, alam mo yon.
Tricycad lang, ma'am.
Pag nandito ka, nakikita mo yung kawalan doon sa atin, sa Pilipinas.
Yes, that's nako-compare mo.
Yes.
That's
I
the
have a
bureaucracy.
question for Katie. Miss Katie, hello. Mahalika po. Ano yung greatest advice or best advice ni former President Duterte sa'yo?
Like he always says, there is a time for everything. So I think he means to tell me to take everything at my own pace, and as long as I'm doing good, as long as I'm doing no harm.
And he laughed, Kit, diba?
Yeah.
Na kailangan niya umuwi kasi kailangan niya takutin yung boyfriend.
So another reason for him to come home to us.
Yeah.
Need to ano man tawag niya?
Pinipigilan.
Kilatisin, ma'am, kilatisin.
As a daughter, no, yung advice sa'yo na pwede rin matutunan ng mga batang pasiedad mo o mga Pilipinong kabataan na pwede mong i-share sa iyong mga kababayan.
What advice from him?
Yes.
Ayun, there is a time for everything. So, growing up, I was always in a hurry. I felt like I was running out of time. My mind was all over the place. I was anxious about so many things. But now that I'm turning 21 in a few days, so I learned to take time to breathe, to slow down, and to just trust in God's time and to take everything at my own pace.
Sure.
Are you gonna celebrate your birthday here, Kitty?
Yes.
Advance happy birthday and thank you.
Thank you.
Kitty, have you been to the tulips field?
I'm not sure, ma'am, because I'm still not familiar with the places here. But we did see tulips on the way here.
So if you want, I can recommend the Tulip Barn.
Yes, ma'am.
The Tulip Barn.
Thank
So
you.
magandang.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.